What's going on, everyone? Today we got a 2024 Hyundai Tucson. We're going to reset the service reminder and the oil change reminder. Okay, that's going to be done at the radio. So when you're at this screen right here, you're going to press home and slide over. It'll give you this screen right here. So what you're going to do is you're looking for the button setup, then you're looking for the button vehicle. Now scroll down to convenience, and you'll see right here we have service interval and oil change reminder. These are the two we're going to reset today. The car is in for service today. You just hit reset right here, and then we'll go back and do the oil change because the car is getting an oil change too. So we'll go back. I went back a little too far. Right here, oil change reminder. And you see it's at 56%. Just hit reset. Hit yes. Well, I hope the video has been helpful. If you could support the channel by hitting the subscribe button, the like button, or even leaving me a comment, it would be great. Thanks for watching the video.